Come on our journey to Atlantis the Royal. So we're arriving now at Atlantis the Royal. I can see it there in front of me, and wow, it looks so good. It's really something unique. So we're arriving, I can't wait to see what they've done inside. Come and have a look. It's so big, I literally can't get it in one shot. You can see it's like driving up to some kind of, I don't even know what to compare it to. So the concierges, when you get there, are really friendly. They take your bags, they lead you in, and now it's time to queue for check-in. It was super busy, but it's to be expected because it's really popular at the moment. This wall is super cool. It's like a water fountain, I guess, but it has a little surprise in store, which you'll see later. Keep watching to see. And there it is, fire. Can you believe it? It's so amazing. Where else is there water and fire? And that's the theme of this hotel. It's all the elements, water, fire, oh, and gold. Gold is a theme throughout. Let's check in.